Inherited some automation files, including a WKSP from Workspace Macro Pro. These are macro recordings from a Windows automation utility. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you run and edit these Workspace Macro Pro files. We're going to solve this WKSP issue, but first, a general piece of advice. A good universal viewer is a system essential. It provides quick recovery access. My suggestion is found below, and we will revisit later on. WKSP files are macro files created by Workspace Macro Pro, a Windows automation software for recording and replaying keyboard and mouse actions. They contain recorded action sequences with timing data variables and control logic for automating repetitive computer tasks. WKSP files use a proprietary binary format, storing recorded keyboard inputs, mouse movements and clicks, window references, timing intervals, variables, conditional logic, and loop structures within Workspace Macro Pro's macro execution engine specification. The WKSP format is inextricably linked to the application Workspace Macro Pro from Tethys Solutions. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows offers minimal information, so opening the file usually requires rare or legacy software. To force the file open, right-click your WKSP file and select Open With. If Workspace Macro Pro is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. When your WKSP file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. The WKSP file is more stubborn than we thought. We're moving into the next phase with the 3 essential steps to unlock it. First, running in Workspace Macro Pro. Install Workspace Macro Pro from the Tethys Solutions website and open the WKSP file directly. The application loads the macro into the editor where you can play it back, review the recorded actions, and configure execution settings like speed and loop count. Next, editing macro steps. Within Workspace Macro Pro, use the step editor to view and modify individual macro steps, add new actions, delete existing steps, insert delays, and configure variables to customize the automation. Save the modified macro to preserve your changes for future execution. Finally, converting to other tools. Recreate WKSP macros in modern automation tools like AutoHotkey or Power Automate Desktop if Workspace Macro Pro is unavailable. Review the WKSP actions in the original software and manually translate them into AutoHotkey scripts or Power Automate flows for ongoing automation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.